We've been following all guidance and best practice to help manage COVID-19. This has included enhanced cleaning, social distancing, providing face coverings for all staff and students, using one-way systems around our buildings, providing antibacterial gel in key locations, and carefully managing shared areas like our library and shops. We keep all our COVID-safe measures under review to keep our campuses as safe as possible. And next year, all class sizes will be matched with ventilation and the size of our teaching rooms. You'll also have access to local health services at all our campuses, including a general practitioner and access to COVID-19 testing and vaccinations.